Today, we're going to solve about standard deviation group data. Givens are 10, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 18, 18, 20, 20, 23, 23, 24, 26, 26, 26, 28, 29, 29, 30, 30, 32, 33, 36, 38, 40, 40, 40, 40, 41, 42, 42, 45, 46, and last 50. To get the range, we have to get the highest point of number in our given and also the lowest point of number. So the highest is 50 and the lowest is 10. So 50 minus 10 is equals to 40. For the interval, we have to divide our range to our divisor. So our range is 40 and our divisor is 10. So 40 divided by 10 is equals to 4. For the class interval, we should start the number wherein it is divisible to our interval, which is 4. So it will be 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's our first class interval. So the second will be 8 to 11, 12 to 15, 16 to 19, and so on and so forth. So next, for our frequency, we have to find numbers 4 to 7 in our given. So which is none. So it will be 0. Next is numbers 8 to 11. We have 1. 12 to 15. We have 2. 16 to 19. We have 6. 20 to 23. We have 4. And so on and so forth. After that, we have to sum up all of the numbers in our frequency to get our n. So it is 35. To get our x, we have to add 4 plus 7 is equals to 11 divided by 2. So it will be 5.5. Next is 8 plus 11. It is 19 divided 2 is equals to 9.5, and so on and so forth. After that, we have to get our mean. So to get our mean, we have to multiply numbers of our frequency to our x. So 0 times 5.5 is equals to 0. 1 times 9.5 is equals to 9.5. 2 times 13.5 is equals to 27, and so on and so forth. After that, we have to sum up all of the numbers to get our mean. So the formula for our mean is summation of EFX over N. So it will be 1008.5 divided by 35. So our mean will be 28.81 or 29. For our next table is x minus mean. So simply we have to subtract our x to our mean. So it will be 5.5 minus 29 is equals to negative 23.5. 9.5 minus 29, it will be 19.5, so on and so forth. So next we have our close up in parenthesis x minus mean squared. So simply finding the square root of h x minus mean. So what is the square root of negative 23.25? So it will be 552.25. Square root of negative 19.5 will be 380.25, and so on and so forth. For our last table, it will be f close up in parenthesis x minus mean squared. So it will be simply multiplying our close up in parenthesis x minus mean squared to our frequency. So the first is 0, next is 380.25, next is 480.5, next is 793.5, and so on and so forth. To get our summation of f close up in parenthesis x minus mean squared, we have to sum up all of the numbers. Our summation of f close up in parenthesis x minus mean squared is 4016.75. So for our SD, our formula will be square root of summation of f close up in parenthesis x minus mean squared over n. So it will be 4016.75 over 35. Next step will be square root of 144.76. So our SD will be 10.71 or 11.